Hello everyone, today we will see some basic operations of Microsoft Excel. Let's start with saving a file first. For saving a file in Excel, first you have to click on File, then you have to go to Save As, and here you will see to name your file. For instance, I have named the file as basic operation of Excel. Then the file type, which is, you can select different file type. Here it is selected as Excel workbook.xlsx, and then you have to click save. As the file is already saved, I have already saved the file, so that's why it is showing the file basic operation of Excel already exists. Do we want to replace the existing file? So I will click OK, and that's how the file is saved. Next, if you want to select any specific row, you will have to click this arrow on that specific row. For instance, I have selected number 1 row. If you select here, this will be selected number 2 row. That's how it would be selected. And if you want to select any specific column, for instance A column, B column, C column, you will have to just click on this arrow. If you double click here and write something, for instance I can write it as data file 1, you can write it and click enter. You can save sheet name as it is. Okay, or also you can right click on the bottom on top of the sheet and select rename, and you can also write rename the file. For instance, you can write again data file 1. Okay, and then click enter, and that's how you can rename the sheet. Create more sheets in a single Excel file. Then you see there is a plus sign on the right side of the data file on. You will have to just click here. You will have to just click left click of the mouse, and you see it's creating extra sheet. Okay, and if you want to delete the sheet, you will just right click on the specific sheet and then click delete. That's how you delete the specific sheet. For instance, if you select here, I have selected this specific cell, and this cell is actually, if you consider the row wise, this is number 7 row, and column wise this is showing 7. So which is column wise, which is 8. So if the name of the cell, you want to name the cell which is H7, so you can see which is already written in the name box, which is H7. Okay, so if you click on the right side here, this is J7. So that's how you can see what is the specific name of each of the cell. And now if you merge more than one cell, you will have to just select one cell and then drag it to a little bit right, and then there is a merge option here on top, merge and center. You will just click here and this will merge it. If you want to unmerge it again, you will have to just click again on the merge and center, and it will unmerge it and create the specific cell again.